Hi everyone, welcome to my Oxford Uni room tour video. I am an international postgraduate student documenting my experiences in Oxford through my International Student Diary series. Today, I'll be showing you what accommodation is like at the University of Oxford. If you want more content like this, please consider to subscribe and let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's begin with the room tour. So, we're at the entrance of my room. Behind the door is my washroom. This is what it looks like from above. So, underneath my sink area is my cabinet. Within this cabinet, I store some items for hygiene and general cleaning supplies. I keep my frequently used beauty products in bags. So in this bag, I have all my makeup. Some of my favorite products are my Burt's Bees lip balm, my YSL mascara, and Vaseline. In my other bag, I store more beauty supplies, cream, and ointments. I keep products I do use every day out in the corner. So these include things like my CeraVe moisturizing lotion, hand sanitizer, toothpaste, and things you see here. I'm lucky to have a heated towel rack within my ensuite bathroom. I didn't have this back home in Canada, so it's really nice to have this here. And this is what the shower spot looks like. And so that's basically my washroom. So let's go to the main living space now. You've seen a bit of it earlier in this video, but I'll share with you some items and things that make my room feel more like home. First, my desk space is quite nice and minimal, just like home. I like having a very clean workspace. Beside me is some more drawer space, which is currently really empty. I don't have much to put in here, so you'll notice this across all my cabinets. And this is my view. I love the natural light that comes in during the day, and the houses here are really beautiful, just what I imagined it to be like in England. Now I'll show you some items on my shelves. So if we start down low, I have my snacks, because who doesn't like snacking? I brought my fruit bars and many things that you've seen in my last Moving to Oxford video. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. It's going to be linked in this video. I do have some new additions to my snack collection, notably cornflakes and crumpets, my new favorite, bagels, and Tesco granola bars. As you may know, I love pretzels, and in this corner, I store my extra bowls and cutlery so I can actually eat all of these things. In the shelf above, I have my favorite bags I brought from home. My I wish I knew is to bring more things to make my room feel even more like home. Anyway, moving up, I am so glad I finally get to try the Biscoff spread. Now, we don't have these in my local shop, so I really appreciate having this here. To the right of that, I have my filming equipment. So I use the Canon Rebel T6i camera, and I record my voiceovers with the Blue Yeti blackout microphone. Up here, I have my coursework and school-related documents. I got an organizer thing here to store my notes, my standardized prep books, my statistics manual, and my course notes. This is a pencil case that I actually bring with me to school, gifted to me by my friend Anthony. Perhaps I'll show you the contents of my pencil case in a future video. The last thing on the shelf is a very special decorative piece. This is the letter M, which my sister got me. Having this in my room reminds me of the good times I had with her. This is just a typical twin-sized, also known as single bed. I decided to wait until quarantine is over to purchase a duvet since it's hard to shop for bedding items online. And here is more cabinet space. Now we're gonna go to the closet. In my closet, we have some typical things like pants, skirts, and shirts. One thing I really like about this closet space is that there is a full-length mirror. Now we're going to head to the kitchen space. I share the kitchen space with 2 other people. It looks like this. I'll share with you the contents of the kitchen. For starters, we have cabinets in here. They store quite a lot of things, and frankly, I don't think 3 of us even use 50% of it. Over here, we have our table, which seats 6 people, but of course, there are only 3 of us, so it's quite nice to have more space. Then we move on to our sink and cabinet areas, which are all pretty typical. The kitchen does come with some useful utilities like a stove, a toaster, and a kettle. This is my housemate's coffee machine. The flat also comes with a microwave. We also have a fridge and freezer provided to us. And that's basically our kitchen. With that, this completes my Oxford Uni room tour video. This is the second video in the International Student Diary series, and of course, there's more to come. Let me know what you'd like to see in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video in this series.